Hello, welcome to my channel. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for staying with me. I know I've not been consistent, and thank you for not abandoning me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to apply to the University of Mannheim. The University of Mannheim is located in Germany, and this is their official website, uni-mannheim.de. Then this page will load up, and by default it will first open in German language. They have the option for you to select the English language option. So when you click on that, just try to scroll towards the base of the page. You can see here in the middle it says the application period for the master program is open. Depending on the program, you can apply by 15th of May or by 31st of May. So the application for their master program started the 1st of April. And if you are looking to do some courses at this university, I think they have about 10 or 9 English taught master program. There are other programs that are taught both in German and in English, but for the purpose of my video, I love to focus on the English one since the international students are mostly interested in studying in English. So here, if you navigate a bit further down, you can see that it shows that you should find your program. And here we can select that, okay, we're interested in the master program, and we'll leave all the subjects open so that we filter with all the different subjects and that are master program. So I'm going to click on the search button. Suchen means search or find. We have this page that is loaded up. So if you are planning to do a bachelor degree and many master degree, you must submit proof of proficiency in German or C1. That's for if you are applying for courses that are taught in German. So for instance, you can see this program here. It's going to be taught both in English and in German. What I observe is that the University of Mannheim, even though it's a public university, a public research university, it requires that you check the information. So if you're interested in studying Master in Data Science at the University of Mannheim, you can check the program overview. You can see here, you're going to do, students learn to collect, organize, analyze, and visualize large amounts of data using the appropriate tool and method. This master program comprises of 5 major areas: data management, data analytics, responsible data science, project and seminar, master thesis, and some fundamentals in data science. So what am I interested in? You can check the admission requirements. You can see here that you need to have studied for a period of 6 semesters before, which is usually the bachelor degree, and all these other requirements. You must be proficient in English. We accept the following as proof of language proficiency: a university entrance qualification from a school with English as the language of instruction. For this data science, you need to write a GMAT. So there are so many things. Just make sure that you check their admission requirements before you make your application. One thing I need to make you understand is that this particular university is not completely tuition free. And why do I say it's not complete tuition free? If you click on the program facts and information, you can see that it shows here that it's a Master of Science, it's a 4-semester program, and you're going to be completing about 120 course credits. Language of instruction is in English, and if you check the program, so this program can either start in the fall or in the spring semester, which is like winter and summer. And you can see that the semester contribution fee is 194 euros. In my last video, I showed you that the semester fee was about 200 and something euros for the University of Vienna. And some people asked me that, do they have to pay tuition fee? You don't have to pay tuition fee at the University of Vienna. But here at the University of Mannheim, they've categorically explained that if you're an international student from non-EU country, you are going to pay 1,500 euros for the tuition fee. And then for your tuition fee for a second degree, that's if you are doing a joint program or two. There are some people now that do all this sandwich or double master program. The second one will be 650. So you can see that apart from paying the semester contribution, which is your student union contribution that gives you access to the library, give you access to the free transport system, both of train and buses, the tuition fee for this particular university is 1,500. So why did I decide to show this particular one when I've mostly focused on universities where you don't pay tuition fee? It's mostly because some students might be interested in some particular programs that are available at the University of Mannheim, and if they are not present in other universities they've been applying to, they might not mind paying the 1,500 euros for the tuition fee, which I think it's much, but it's not something you cannot do. So how do you then apply? You navigate. So down here, we were here in master in data science. So you come to the end of the page where it says application. If you click on apply, it will load up a new page where it will ask you to please take time to assess the application requirement before making your application. If you click on the information, you will learn more about the program that you're applying. Sorry, I'm scrolling too fast. If the informations which were on the previous page, it will let you know what the deadline of the application is. Check the requirement for the bachelor program you are interested in. If you are not interested in bachelor's, then you just click on the master program. Remember all the different requirements. For some instances, there are some of their master programs that require you to write a GMAT or some other kind of a qualification exam. And when you think you've ticked all the boxes for the different requirements, then you want to click on apply now. And when you click on apply now, it will take you to the university page. And this, it says start your application at the University of Mannheim. All you have to do before you can make any application is that you click on the register, which will help you to then enter your detail, the email, and the things you want to apply. Remember, when you click on register, you have to select the country you are applying from. So let's, for instance, if I say I'm applying from Namibia, I'm not from Namibia. Then you click send, then it will give you the requirements of how you make your application. So you see, you need your school leaving certificate or studies in Germany and graduated from school and studies abroad. I'm going to click study abroad, and you can see we have noticed that there are currently increasing problems with email accounts from T Online, Hotmail, Live, Outlook, and iCloud. If there are difficulties with the registration, it could be because of that. In that case, we recommend that you register with a different email address. So it's best you use email address that is not in this category that people are having problem with. So you can use Gmail, you can use Yahoo Mail, you can use what other mail is out there that is not in this category of these 5. Is that 5? Yeah, 5 that has been listed that people are having problem with. Create an email, create a password, repeat that password, accept the terms and condition, and click send, and then you can continue. You can then start making your application. If you have any question, please do not forget to write in the comment box. I'm going to provide you an answer. If it is a question, I can provide an answer too. And stay tuned, because there are more universities that their application portal is opening from 1st of May, and I'm going to do my due diligence to bring this information to you. And until next time, bye bye.